The relationship between job satisfaction and good governance in the work culture of drivers within transport business. Work culture is seen as the behaviors, attitudes, commitments and staff performance are key in advancing towards organizational objectives. Job satisfaction, on the other hand, states that both extrinsic and intrinsic factors, such as the salary increment and employees' welfare, are paramount to the hearts of staff. Moreover, good governance is consensus-oriented, participatory, transparent, accountable, efficient and effective, responsive, inclusive and equitable, which follows the rule of law. This is theoretically basic research with conceptual studies theories aimed at establishing the importance of work culture within organizations. This study also investigates the correlations among three variables as a model, namely job satisfaction, good governance and work culture. The study was conducted in Ghana, involving drivers from the public sector transport companies using a design survey questionnaire. This was a quantitative research study. A random sample of 40 public bus drivers was interviewed, with their responses used to generate data for analysis in Smart PLS. The results indicated that all three variable constructs are valid and reliable. Work culture has a direct correlation with job satisfaction and good governance. The Cronbach alpha for job satisfaction, good governance, and work culture was 0.7, 0.8, and 0.7 consecutively. Cronbach alpha value of 0.6 and above denotes there is high reliability. The path model indicates that the practicality of the variables is theoretically correlated and associative. This conceptual research showed that in the transport industry, especially the public sector, more attention must be paid to these three variables to achieve objectives, namely good governance, job satisfaction and work culture, to improve the human resource management practices in the public transportation industry. Future research with a large population and sample size is recommended for analysis. Introduction. This study explores how good governance, work culture, and job satisfaction affect the performance of public transport organizations in Ghana. Transportation is key to economic development, connecting people and goods across regions. In Ghana, public transport has gone through several changes over the years, with key companies like Metro Mass Transport and Intercity STC coaches now serving the population. Beyond the systems and structures, the success of these organizations also depends on the work environment. A positive work culture, shaped by shared values, attitudes, and behaviors, can motivate employees and improve job satisfaction. Job satisfaction leads to better performance and commitment. In addition, applying principles of good governance, such as transparency and accountability, helps build trust and ensures better management. This study highlights the need for public transport agencies to focus not only on operations but also on creating a supportive work culture and adopting strong governance practices to achieve long-term success. Conclusion. This study found that good governance, job satisfaction, and work culture are closely linked and work well together to improve performance in public transportation organizations. When these three elements are adopted, they lead to better motivation among workers and higher productivity. It's important for managers to focus on both internal and external factors that affect employee satisfaction, like fair treatment, good pay, and a positive work environment. The study also showed that work culture plays a key role in connecting good governance to job satisfaction. Using reliable tools to collect and analyze data from public bus drivers, the research confirmed that these relationships are not only theoretical but also practical. The results suggest that improving how organizations are run and how employees feel about their work can make a big difference in performance. Future research should include a larger number of participants to strengthen these findings and help shape better policies in public transport. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.